To get our wallpaper to line up to the baseboards, use a drywall knife and a razor for a clean edge. If we attach this wire through the sponge like so, we can use it to clean out the dust between the vents and our heaters. We can make wire clips by screwing zip ties into these pre-drilled holes. Then fasten the wire in the zip tie and cut off the excess. By adding a bit of super glue to these two PVC pipe clips, we can secure these two pipes perpendicularly. If we drill an extra hole into the side of this key like so, it'll make it much easier to find if we have a bunch of similar looking keys. Sometimes old keys can break off in the key slot. They can be difficult to remove with just tweezers. We can solder some wire to the old key to help us pull it out. To keep this baseboard flush with the wall, tape a bit of scrap wood at an angle like so. Let's heat up this pipe fitting with a blowtorch. Next, we'll twist the pipe into one end and the elbow joint into the other end. Pour a bit of water to cool everything down. Now when we unscrew the pipes, they'll fit together perfectly. Here we need to cut some rope. These scissors are not the right tool for the job. Instead, we can use the other end of the rope and a bit of friction to make our cut. When wrapping together 3 wires, try this. Hold them together side by side with a pair of pliers, then wrap the 2 end wires around the center wire in a spiral. Lastly, hold the center wire back down over the twisted wires. Use a drywall knife to help remove old wallpaper. We'll want to make sure that our drywall is flat and even before applying any new wallpaper. Remove any anchors and nails, and be sure to apply enough spackling to create an even surface. Then apply the new wallpaper. You can even use the drywall knife to clean up any mess on the floor. To prevent this straw from getting lost, we can glue an empty pen case to the side of this can and place the straw inside. We can tape together 2 toothbrushes to lubricate our bike chains. Our next little project will be building a stand that helps us solder wires together. We'll cut this plywood into 3 pieces and glue the edges together and secure them with screws. Next, we'll make notches using a handsaw and a file. Now the stand will act as an extra pair of hands while we solder our wires together. Let's make another notch here on our workbench. We can place a wire in the notch and use a razor to strip the plastic from the wires. Here's a fun way to make a DIY Christmas ornament. Arrange these nuts in a Christmas tree shape, then apply super glue and let dry. And for one of our last projects today, we'll be building our own DIY Christmas tree. We'll fasten 2 studs together perpendicularly with an extra long bolt through the center. Then we'll stack studs in decreasing size and secure them with a nut and a final stud on top. For the star, we can glue popsicle sticks together and decorate them with glitter. We can hang our ornaments on the tree like so. And what about a little Santa decoration? We can attach this mop to this cup and decorate it using a sock. Then we'll cut out a nose from this sponge. And with a few more candles and treats, we've created a nice atmosphere to get us into the Christmas spirit. Cracking hazelnuts can quickly make a mess. We can use these scissors to prevent the shells from flying everywhere. These metal clamps will also do the trick.